In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Bitbucket. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to work in your repositories without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to bitbucket.org. Type the address directly into the browser's address bar to avoid landing on lookalike pages. You should see a secure connection indicator like a padlock icon and the Atlassian branding, which confirms you're in the right place. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. If the layout looks a little different, that option might appear as a login link or a small profile icon, but it's typically in the upper right corner. You'll land on the Atlassian sign-in page. In the email field, enter the address associated with your Atlassian account. Use the same email you originally used for Bitbucket. If you access Bitbucket through work, that's usually your company email. For personal projects, it's likely your personal email. Double check for typos here, because an incorrect email will stop the process before it starts. After entering your email, click Sign In. If you're prompted with a follow-up screen, click Continue to proceed. Depending on your account's security settings, you may see additional verification steps, such as a two-step code or a confirmation through your Authenticator app. Just follow the on-screen prompts. They're there to keep your account secure. If your account supports it and you prefer a faster, more secure login, you can choose to log in with a passkey. This might use your device's biometric features like fingerprint or face recognition, or a hardware key. Follow the prompt to confirm on your device and you'll be signed in without entering a password. You can also continue using a trusted provider: Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Pick the same provider you originally linked to your Atlassian account. After you click your provider, you may be redirected to select your account and confirm the sign-in. If a new window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Once approved, you'll be sent back to Bitbucket automatically. When you've successfully authenticated, you'll land on your Bitbucket home or workspace dashboard. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you can switch between them from the top navigation once you're in. If you run into any hiccups, recheck the email you entered, confirm you're on bitbucket.org, and ensure you're using the correct sign-in option for your organization's setup. That's it, your Bitbucket is open and ready to go.